When I met Mike 21 years ago, I knew that he was going to be the love of my life. I couldn't have asked, you never know what you get in an in-law, right? I couldn't have asked for a better mother-in-law or father-in-law or grandma to my kids. So I just want everyone to know how lucky I feel to be part of this family and how much you all mean to my family, to Al, Jay, Kelly, Tim, Victoria, but mostly my kids, Josh and Sophia. Jeannie was able to teach my kids things that I don't think I would have been able to. I'm grateful grateful that my kids were able to spend so much time with her. She lived right around the corner. If I couldn't find Sophia, oh, she's at grandma's. I knew where she was. Josh was always with her. I always say Josh is an old soul. He's the kindest kid I know. And when Jeannie was going through chemo and she started to lose her hair, Josh came up with the idea that he wanted to shave his head so he could be in support, show support of his grandma. That's something. Josh and Sophia, I love you very much. Dad does, Grandma and Grandpa do, and you both will always, always be special to me. I could go on and on about all the wonderful things that she's done and how she always had my back. I'd show up at some of these family parties and I'd be like, oh, I don't know all these people, and she'd be like, I got it, it's okay, it's okay. She always was there, always. She didn't miss a birthday party, anything at school. She didn't miss a choir concert. She didn't miss a softball game. She was always there, always, always. We're gonna get through it together, and she's always gonna be with us. So thank you everybody for coming. Thank you for loving and supporting us through all of this. We felt all of the prayers, all of the support. We felt it all. So thank you.